Hi guys, my name is Omer and you're watching Omer's workshop. Today we are going to talk about this project which I have made, which is based on the circuits, electronic circuits, and to see what we can do with these circuits. These are temperature thermostats which will trigger either the temperature rises or either the temperature declines. I have set this one to be turned on if the temperature raises over 30, and this one will trigger only if the temperature declines up to 27 Celsius. Both of them are difference in the temperatures. That's how we will be able to turn on anything we want by giving them hot and cold on their sensors, which will trigger anything we want. So I have placed a solenoid module over here, which will trigger when the sensor will, both of them will turn on. Either one of them turn on, it will not work because it will not let pass the 12 volt which is required, and only one circuit will not work. If it is both of them get hot, it will not trigger, and both of them get cold, it will not trigger at all. So it needs to be hot and cold separately. For that we are going to use a Peltier tec1-12706 to give it a hot and cold at the same time, because one surface will get hot and one surface will get cold at the same time. I have given a 3.7 volt battery attached to it because we want to make it work for about like 5 seconds, and in that time it will not even get too much hot and not get too much cold, because it is a very small amount for it to get hot and get damaged. For that to work, I have already shown you how to do the wiring, and the diagram I have given you in this video. You can understand and make your own projects like this or anything like that. But the concept about this project is to make a lock, like a unique lock. These kind of Peltiers, stack it together as a key point, and when we insert it in a keyhole like this one, it will give you a unique pattern, and it will be a very difficult for any new person to understand like what kind of lock is this. So it is a very unique idea about how to use temperature, hot and cold at the same time, to unlock something or trigger something. So for that, uh, right now both of them, the temperatures are same. We just have to press this button, placing over here between both of the sensors, and when I turn it on, it will trigger first to here, then it will let it pass the 12 volt from this to here, and it will, after that, this one will turn on that one. So both of them have to be turned on, the relays, at the same time, and it is kind of impossible for both of them to get uh, that kind of variation in them, any kind of difference between them at that much level, like a 3-degree difference. This one is on the 30 and this one set on the 27. So let's check if how it works. I'm gonna turn it on. It is a fun project to make on about the electronics or circuits. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.